Hi everybody, my name is Junaid and I'm one of the developers at Micro One. Throughout this course, I'm going to be teaching you a lot of cool tricks for using Cursor, and what ties everything together is that we are going to be analyzing the reviews on Udemy for our previous course. And I'm going to kind of demonstrate how, honestly, just anybody could use Cursor and generative AI to do some data analysis. So over here, I have two CSV files that I downloaded from the Udemy dashboard. And there's a slight problem. So here it shows you the course name, student name, timestamp, rating, and comment. I don't want to show all the student names that left the review on camera. So I manually copied the first 5 reviews and sort of just censored it. I just put person 1, 2, 3, 4. We see that here's the comment, which is kind of the review. I was expecting to only export reviews that had like a comment. So you can see like on line 4, this is a comment, but here we don't, okay? But first let's focus on just censoring all the student names. So as you can see, I have like reviews uncensored, and I want to censor the entire thing. I don't want to do it manually. So let's go ahead and think. What I'm going to choose for today is TypeScript. Now I know some people are used to using like Python, or academics are used to using R. I'm going to choose TypeScript just because it has type definitions, which I believe makes it much easier to work with large language models for coding. Just because sometimes if they make a mistake, you can immediately spot it based on the types as opposed to dynamically typed languages like Python or R. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to use a kind of like a JavaScript runtime called Bun. But once again, you can really use anything, and if you have any questions, you can just ask Cursor in the chat. So I'm going to go ahead and start my project. First, I'm going to create a Git repo just so I can save my progress. And now I'm going to go ahead and create a project with Bun. And this will allow me to run TypeScript directly. Okay. So before I do that, we just want to choose our model. So if you go over to Cursor Settings and then like Cursor Settings, you'll open this tab here, and you have your general, you have your model setting, features, and beta. Okay. If you go over to models, then these are the models that I like to use. I like to use Claude 3.5 Sonnet. That's basically the best Claude model that there is at the moment that's released. In the future, you may see like Claude 3.5 Opus. Definitely go for that if it's available. I leave Cursor Small available as well. I think they use it for some of the, I guess, smaller features. I turned off GPT-4, GPT-3.5 Turbo, GPT-4 Turbo, just because there's better models out there. So and I have GPT-4o and GPT-4o Mini enabled. I also have O1 Mini, which was released, I think, last week, in O1 Preview. You can go ahead and use your own API keys, but the easiest way to get started is just to create an account with Cursor directly and just do all your building through them.